Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2023 Audi S5. Guys, you might have to screen tutorial in the 2023 Audi S5 Coupe and high performance model with front their standard issues A5 counterparts. The meaningful differences hide behind the S5 knows every S5 gets a 349 horsepower turbocharged V6 with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A sustainable leap from the all-wheel drive standard equipment and so are pair of purely 6-piston front brake calipers. Although the S5 is more wide than thrower, its 7 exhaust notes gained off pace in a segment with the loss of buzz and thunder. The guts of the S5 is fashionable and they complement its accurate and predictable ham. The coupe and body style lack the passenger space for the 4-door S5 Sportback, which is reviewed separately. But all three share available tech like Audi's virtual cockpit, display a large infotainment screen in a Bang & Olufsen audio system. The L5 is not quite as quick as more aggressive options such as the BMW M340i and Mercedes-Benz C43. But it's not less engrossing to drive, but it will fit the needs of those seeking a balance of comfort, sporty performance and tasteful style. Guys, the S5 gets additional standard equipment for 2023 through most updates or optional appearance packages. The S5 Coupe received a Bang & Olufsen sound system for its mid-premium plus trim. The Black Optic package has been replaced by a Black Optic Plus package that now includes black rocker steel, rear spoiler, exhaust tape, and darkened Audi badges. Adaptive cruise control is now included with the available convenience package. An optional Audi Sports interior is new for 2023 and gives the inside of the S5 and a black interior with rust stitching and RS carbon fiber trim bits. Finally, the bronze grey replaces the quantum grey paint option. Guys, the Audi S5 Premium Plus Coupe is the one we had picked. For as much fun as convertibles here in the S5 application, the carbonate is slower and adds an extra $100 at every trim level. The Premium Plus trim is good balance of options and price, one that includes standard equipment such as Audi's virtual cockpit display, blind spot monitoring, passive keyless entry, a heated steering wheel, a 360-degree camera, wireless charging, and more leather surfaces throughout the cabin. We had Coast our S5 is distinct green paint and chooses the Black Optic package. 20-inch wheel on summer tires and black exterior trim. We also like the ratio look of the carbon fiber interior accent, and we had to remiss if we didn't maximize our L5 performance with the S Sport package. It adds sport tune adaptive dampers, a torque vectoring rear differential, and red brake calipers. Guys, all S5 comes with the same 349 horsepower turbocharged V6 engine and 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, thanks to its launch control system and all-wheel drive transaction. The last S5 Coupe tested delivered solid acceleration in a class of quick alternative. In our testing, it went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Despite the additional weight, the convertible S5 Cabriolet that we tested was still plenty quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. Both two-door S5s we tested were equipped with the optional 19-inch performance tire and the Sport package, which adds a torque vectoring rear differential and adaptive dampers. As equipped, or test car spotted frame but still complaint rides. Guys, the Coupe also came equipped with the dynamic steering option, which quickens the steering and more the wheel is turned from center. We found the system uncommunicative and unpredictable. We recommended against it and to stay with the standard fixed ratio steering setup. Yes, with a wanted turbocharged V6 and standard all-wheel drive, one might expect the S5 Coupe and Carbonate to have so grateful fuel economy. However, the fixed roof variant gets an EPA estimated 24 mileage in city and 30 mileage on the highway. Choosing the convertible reduces the city and highway ratings by 1 and 2 mileage respectively. We tested both body style on our 75-mile highway fuel economy route, which is a part of our extensive testing regime, and the Coupe earned 30 mileage while the Cabriolet earned 32 mileage. Guys, for more information about the S5 fuel economy, visit Typa's website. Guys, the L5 interior is marked by a soft to the touch, expensive feeling material, high quality fit and finish, and a user-friendly design. Both driver and front seat passengers are treated to comfortable and roomy power adjustable seats, while rear seat riders are left with the bare minimum to acceptable space. Those in need of more rear seat room should look at 4-door S5 Sportback. It has no longer wheelbase and offers some more room for rear passengers. Guys, the S5 interior starts with the conservative but modern dashboard design that pieced together with the laser-tight precision. Additionally, every S5 includes luxuries such as front seat with heating and massage function, 3-zone climate control, and push-button start. In our testing, the S5 Coupe helped and many carry-on suitcases at the last 440i coffee tested, making it one of the top-rated segment. Meanwhile, the convertible swallowed as many carries once in its trunk as the C43 Carbolet. Additionally, the S5 comparatively low lift over height and by trunk opening make loading item into the cargo bay on easy affair. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.